So all I'm gonna say is old Dan is super excited today. I haven't seen very many of these in the States, but I know there's gonna be one here in East Central Mississippi. Look at this. I'm just highly excited. Ooh, and a stand. And this is the large Vegepod. Can't really see it because it's got stickers all over it, but the large Vegepod. Ooh-wee. Can't wait. Dan, what you gonna be growing in whatever that is? Well, let me show you. Got some Mizuno and some spinach. Cannot wait to get this stuff planted out in the Vegepod. And I also have some, can't really see it, but it's over there. I'm gonna plant out the Maximo broccoli and the stonehead cabbage in the Vegepod. Hee hee.